Hi, my name is Grace Casagrande, and I'm one of the criminal defense attorneys here at the Smith & Eulo office in Orlando. Today's topic is what is an adversary preliminary hearing. An adversary preliminary hearing is something that a defendant can request if he's been in custody and an information hasn't been filed within 21 days. Even if the state files an information, which is the document to file charges against them, after the 21 days, they can still request that hearing. Basically, the purpose of this hearing is to determine if the state has sufficient probable cause to continue holding the person. So if the judge doesn't find probable cause at the adversary preliminary hearing, the defendant gets released. The important thing to understand is even if a defendant is released following this hearing, it does not mean that charges are fully dismissed. They will still have to wait, see if charges are filed. If they are filed, you'll still have to build a defense and prepare your case. At this hearing, the state will have to call live witnesses. So if there's a victim, the victim would likely be called and the defense attorney would be able to cross-examine those witnesses. One important thing to note is hearsay can be admissible at this hearing. It can't be the only basis to prove that probable cause. So a little bit complicated, but the basics of the hearing is to determine if you haven't been released within 21 days and there hasn't been any information, if there is probable cause. If you or a loved one is in need of a criminal defense attorney in Orlando, don't hesitate to call Smith & Eulo. Thank you, and stay tuned for next week's topic.